In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose who can connect with you on LinkedIn. So open up your LinkedIn app on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner. Now tap on settings and then tap on communications. Under the option where it says who can reach you, tap on invitations to connect. Now in here we have three different options of how people can connect to you. So the top one is everyone on LinkedIn, and as you can see in brackets it does say recommended. Next option is only people who know your email address or appear in your imported contacts list, and then the last option is only people who appear in your imported contacts list. So go ahead and select which one you prefer, and as you can see it may take 24 hours before this takes effect. So that's basically how easy it is to adjust who can connect with you on LinkedIn.